Hi everyone!
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel. Today's video
Is a weekly recap of the week. Because it's a weekly recap.
That's right. So, mga highlights lang po sa buong...
Not really highlights, just the parts that we remembered
Oh yeah!
to film.
To film. So yeah, mga... kumbaga, sinamarize lang namin yung buong week namin sa video na to.
Okay, it's mostly me. So, okay. This was Monday. It was very sunny on Monday, so I was filming.
Where was I?
You're at work. It's Monday. It was just so bright out, and I work from home. So, yeah. Like, look at that. It's so nice.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
I leave early kasi kaya hindi ko na naabutan yung ganyan guys sa bahay.
True. And then I also, cleaned the tank on Monday. But we also cleaned the tank tonight. But I wanted to try the new vacuum thing, so
Yeah, bago kasi yung vacuum na nabili namin. Na...
Flow vac?
Oo.
What it's called.
At saka mas madali siyang gamitin kasi hindi na kailangan na sobrang palit ng tubig na marami, like yung buong tubig ng aquarium.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably doing this wrong, so
But
someone
it's
tell me.
Yeah, oo. Kung tama ba itong ginagawa. Pero in fairness naman, nalilisa naman siya. And look at our fish and
here. She's so curious. Look. Alam nyo, akala namin yung namin namatay.
Yung shrimp namin.
Yung shrimp. But apparently, nag-shed lang siya ng... What's it called?
Ng shell. Ng niya,
Yeah,
ng shell niya. Ewan ko.
Skin?
Skin, shell, anong tawag nun?
I don't know. If you're a shrimp, you're watching this. Let us know.
But yes, may isang umaga guys na nagising ako, sumisigaw ako, sabi ko, oh my God, yung si Willow, kasi Willow yung pangalan ng shrimp namin. Tapos sabi ni Kim, wala na siya sa niya, sa shell niya o sa katawan niya.
Akala namin pa this na siya. So, whatever. We weren't sad because this is the new wok that I got. I used it on Monday. I cooked adobo. It was pretty good.
Maganda ba?
Magluto?
Yeah, so I just got home.
Oh, you're explaining
and then, ayoko sanang pumasok today kasi masama talaga pakiramdam ko kagabi. Nagigising-gising ako, 3:47, gising na ako. And, kaso, gusto ko nang pumasok. And, si Kim ang gumagawa ngayon sa mga gawaing bahay kasi pagod daw.
Masama na yung pakiramdam.
I'm making adobo using the wok.
We should have tested already
pretty
on
fun.
Monday.
Never
Oh my
had
God,
a wok
nagpunta pa ako
before.
sa work.
Always wanted one.
Anyways,
So
this
yeah,
was
I'm
my
making
adobo.
I'm just waiting
It's
for
so nice to cook on a wok.
the eggs to cook.
I don't know, it's just a different vibe.
They're still in the shell,
I feel more
obviously.
Filipino.
But yeah,
No, more
pretty
Asian.
nice. Good
Because
experience.
Asians cook on woks. That was the finished product.
Tapos na. May sakit ka?
Ah?
May sakit ka?
May ubo.
Saan?
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 I don't know.
Saan? Saan? Sakit sa ulo. Ikaw, sakit sa ulo.
Lagyan mo ng Vicks.
Vicks, imong ilong.
Oh, and then while Kat was napping, I played Fortnite. Oh, look, I filmed myself getting ready, and that's why I was late on Tuesday. Sorry. Yeah, I was using the CeraVe. And then I used the CeraVe for my teeth.
What the hell?
There you go. I'm almost done. I was just wiping my face. And then I put moisturizer. And then I clean my ears. Because I have like wet
Wet wax.
wax. And then I straightened my hair too because I was like, I'm getting ready. I might as well get ready. Oh, and then I just curled my lashes. Really easy stuff.
Ang dami may gusto ng lashes ni Kim pala.
Not lashes, my eyebrows.
Lashes and eyebrows.
There's me. I just brush it so it looks pretty. And then I put mascara. And then that's all. That's me getting ready. Oh, and then in the morning I lift up all the blinds so that the fish have light.
And the plants.
And the plants. And then I also feed the fish before I go because Kat doesn't feed them because she leaves too early.
They're still sleeping.
Morning. Medyo late tayo today. So, I'm driving kasi may pipick upin ako mamaya. So, probably the last time I will drive this week. Anyways. Oh, and then this one was when I was at work. So, every Tuesday when I come into work, I change my thing. I have, what's that? Affirmation cards. Yeah. I won this at work. It's not like I bought this, but I won this. That's what it is. I forgot to read it. And then Tuesday we went to Brentwood.
We went to Brentwood.
Why did we go to Brentwood?
Para maghanap ng food.
Oh, because we picked up
We
this.
picked up, yeah. So, may pinick up kami sa Burnaby na ano tawag
Poof.
ito?
Poof.
Poof. And then, since malapit lang naman sa Brentwood, so we decided to get food sa Brentwood kasi medyo tinatamad na din kami.
Oh, and then when we got home, we were just watching. And then I was playing, and then Kat was sleeping. These are Galaxy lights. They're from my dad. But you can buy them on Amazon. They're just called Galaxy lights.
I was sleeping.
You were sleeping. This was before we fought. We fought that night because this is why.
Because she doesn't want to take medicine. It's just
Ah,
NyQuil.
my
so
God.
She doesn't feel good.
No.
I don't even understand, guys. I don't know what to say.
Right?
I was so pissed. I'm still so pissed.
We didn't know na may COVID na ako niyan.
It doesn't matter. Why is it so hard?
No. Finish it.
Anyways, Wednesday I went to work, and Wednesdays I have free lunch at work. And this week was sandwich, fruit salad, and a cookie. I still have a cookie inside my bag.
Oh my God.
It's not bad. And then because it's the first Wednesday of the month, we did like extra food, extra snacks. And this week it was a cheesecake from Trees. It's so good.
I know, I
Oh
told
my
you.
God, it was so good. Because she tested for COVID, I also tested myself. And then we went to go pick up our computers from work at like 9 p.m.
Yeah, because we have to work from home.
The drive home from downtown. It was nicer going into downtown, but we didn't film because we were still fighting. But yeah, it's nice to drive in Vancouver at night because it's not traffic. And then Thursday we started working from home together. And Kat has like 2 tables. She had a meeting and I was doing yoga at work.
And the shift happens physically first.
And then today is Friday. We were still working from home together. And it was such a beautiful morning. That doesn't what you.
What is it? Why did you? Why did you?
Yeah. Oh, that's what we
That's a
bought.
poof.
The poof. We got it for $25.
It's a good deal, super good.
Yeah.
Naman.
Oh yeah, that's the really
Good morning.
I just put
It's
that there. I'm not
Friday,
actually using it.
And we're both working from home kasi sick ako.
With
I have COVID. I have COVID and it's early in the morning,
Ah,
we're
so
watching
funny.
Carino Family. And bumili din kami ng breakfast. Pero nagpa-deliver lang kami kasi bawal lumabas.
Sana may makuha kang isda, kuya.
Ano?
Sana may makuha siyang isda.
Na ano?
Isda.
Isda?
Yeah.
Ah, oo.
Mag-fishing sila. Gusto ko din mag-fishing.
Lamig-lamig dito. Fishing.
Oh, like crabbing.
I bought you, I'm not sure if magugustuhan mo
Ano?
It's like griddle.
Mag-griddle?
You like griddle?
Sure.
And there's also hash brown in here. You want this one or you want
No,
that
I
one?
want this one.
I don't know where it's going.
What do you mean? My hand is like this.
I don't know the guys. I don't know the
I'm paying before going back to the level position. So that's the price we pay for pleasure.
Okay, go. Get rid of stuff.
Oh, we were trying to get rid of
Clothes.
clothes.
Yeah,
Wow,
just
such
to
a nice
declutter. And it was so nice in the afternoon, and then it started raining, and then I did another test because I was gonna go out to donate the things at Value Village. And then I also went to get some fruits and vegetables for the weekend so then I can cook so we don't have to go out. Actually, don't know if I'm working tomorrow. I don't know.
So yeah, I think that's it for the entire week. Wala masyadong ganap except nagka-COVID ako. So everything was normal actually. We weren't sure kung kailan nagsimula talaga, but Monday masama na yung pakiramdam ko. And then super nag-escalate na hanggang Wednesday wala na talaga.
True. So what's the takeaway this week?
This week, I think yung takeaway ko for this week is that even though nag-lift na yung restrictions and super light na yung restrictions ngayon, especially during sa time na to na film na namin, yung government ng BC nagsabi na hindi na magagamit or mag-check ng COVID passport. But still, guys, for you out there, sa mga nanonood, still, be very careful. Be cautious pa din kahit na wala nang restrictions masyado. Because there's still COVID. Right?
That's true. Anyways, the takeaway is that I don't have a takeaway. But have a good weekend. Thanks for watching our videos.
Enjoy your weekend, guys.
And I hope you stay safe. Oh, don't go to concerts yet.
Don't go to concerts yet.
Might be COVID there.
Yes, guys. And super blessed lang talaga ako na wala ako masyadong naramdaman. Ubo at sipon lang. Thank goodness dahil fully vaccinated tayo and may booster na din tayo. Kaya siguro hindi na masyadong grabe yung symptoms natin. But thankfully, puwera usog. Sana hindi lang lumala, no? Thank goodness, negative si Kim. Kasi yung ako, upot sipon lang, pera usog. Yung gana natin sa kain, okay pa din. Kaya, we're hoping for a fast recovery.
Speedy recovery.
Speedy recovery for this one. So, mag-ingat kayo always, guys. And see you
And the next vlog, which is
7 Minute Sundays!
okay. Bye.